Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And we're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, we are definitely making higher highs, higher lows on the 4-hour time frame. We have, first of all, a nice 5-wave impulsive move to the downside. Now we need to really observe this move up. We need to see if this move up is a very overlapping corrective pattern to a Fibonacci retracement level and then an engulfing move to the downside, or whether it decides to make more of an impulsive move like this move down right here. So far, it is very overlapping. I mean, it definitely does have like a 5-wave look to it, and it is very overlapping. Could definitely end up being a crutch into this last wave down. So if we do get like a significant Fibonacci bounce and it continues to be very overlapping, there is definitely a chance that this US dollar index just keeps on going down. For now, since we are making higher highs, higher lows, and if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame range, I definitely would be recommending longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now, but I definitely would be trying to go long on these pullbacks. So really the strategy right now is to be waiting for pullbacks on the US dollar index to go long the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.